about to get ready to go to the beach and go to the pool. So it's a better day, a little bit earlier. So we won't get kicked out of our chairs and stuff today. But here's the view. It's so shiny, so sunny. It's gonna be a little hot out there, but that's okay. Makai made a mukbang burger. Is it good?
And y'all over here because y'all not hungry because y'all want to eat. So,
No, I want to go to the pool.
I would go to the pool then.
There is no pool.
Mom, look at the camera.
Oh, fish. I'm going to knock you out. I'm going to knock you out.
To the beach. No, the pool. So I have on the... My brother picked out this... what's this? A swimsuit top. My mom picked out this cover up. I had on regular swim bottoms, but they were showing a little bit too much. I just put on some Mark's Nike shorts. Sounds like I'm breathing heavier than what I'm breathing, but yeah, that's my pool outfit. So let's go to the pool.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So you guys, we just got back from, now we've been back for a minute, from the beach and went to the pool. And really, I'm like a person, I came in for something, go out, come again. I'm a person that doesn't like the pool, but I got in because Leah wanted to get in, and I was the only adult that was willing to get in the pool. So anyways, tangent. This boy done fell asleep again. So we're supposed to go right around and see different areas. We have one more night, so I'm gonna go ahead and wake him up so he don't sleep the night away, because then he'll blame it on me as to why I didn't wake him up. Ugh. So I'm about to go ahead and wake him up and then see what he wants to do. Maybe just stay in, and I want to find some empanadas or something, but that's about it, guys. Yes. Let's put this ginger ale and water. We spent, let me tell y'all. We spent $30 on water. These Fiji waters up here are $10 each. What? As you know, hotel water is always expensive too. But... Hi, handsome. Hi. Y'all tell Granddaddy to wake up. Hey, we're supposed to be cruising the city. There goes the man of the hour. Hey.
Okay.
Get up, Granddaddy.
I'm up.
No, you're not.
Everybody in.
Everybody's gone.
Where you go?
Everybody wants to go eat and go hang out. We're the only ones up here.
All right.
This guy is still asleep. He sleeps like he work a job. Let me stop saying that. He does work hard, but he is tired. Huh?
You should have vlogged us eating.
I was, but it was too much going on. We seriously have just been eating in the hotel like this whole time. So we, oh shoot. Went to pizza. Okay, so we went to pizza and burger. Again, we went earlier. I got a turkey burger, but tonight I had pizza. And their pizza is so large. I would have just got one pizza. I wouldn't have got her own pizza if I known it was this big. But it was good. Really good, actually. So, yep. There's that. It's the top of the morning. Breakfast. What's on my lips? Ew, what is that? Hey, you just went out and washed up all on my lips. I think it's lotion. I need some chapstick anyway. No. We're about to go eat breakfast. Well, at least attempt to go eat breakfast. Babe, are you looking at breakfast spots?
I am apparently.
So let me tell you how this is gonna go. We have breakfast downstairs, right? That I enjoyed yesterday.
Yeah, and they left me after.
But Mark insists on going somewhere else because he said it was just aight. But he's not a breakfast person either, or a pancake person.
I am a breakfast person.
Not like me. So his attempt is to find us something to eat on the way to the game. My nephew has the football game. Isn't it the Super Bowl? Championship game for Little League football. Y'all are room to mess, but it's okay. So his attempt is to find his breakfast on the way. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. That fish was good. Now stop losing.
Fried cabbage.
Mom, what'd you get?
When I go with confidence, when I go live roll our hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me.
Those stuff in probably.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, moving into a different.
That is a wrap. We are done for the day. Those chandeliers are still so nice, right? Miami has been good to us. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. And we're back to Dallas in the morning. Yeah, Britt got this necklace.
She got me this necklace and this blue bracelet right there. You can't probably see it, but it's fine.
That's a wrap. Tell the vlog good night.
I'm out. Been showering.
Good night. I went to the beach and then I kicked a wave.
That's a wrap.
That's 4:11.